Our next story is Cyclone Burevi, which is very likely to move nearly west-northwestwards and emerge into the Gulf of Mannar and adjoining Comorin area. As many as 8 teams of the NDRF and personnel of the Air Force and Navy have been deployed for rescue and relief operations ahead of the cyclone's landfall. Now, moreover, 697 people from 175 families have been shifted to relief camps, while 2,489 other camps have been identified. IMD has issued a red alert for Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Pathanamthitta and Alappuzha districts for December 3rd. That's today in view of Cyclone Burevi.
कोल्लम, कोटायम, इसके अलावा त्रिवेंद्रम, ये सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हमारा जो डिप्लॉयमेंट हुआ है एनडीआरएफ का। इसके अलावा हम लोग सारी टीम अभी अपने एरिया में जाकर के देखी कर रही है और ऑब्जर्व कर रही है सिचुएशन को, और ग्राउंड लेवल पर क्या चल रहा है उसको हम लोग देख रहे हैं। और कुछ इसके अलावा डिजास्टर्स होता है तो उसके लिए हम लोग इमीडिएट रिस्पॉन्स करने के लिए तैयार हैं। इडुक्की, इसके अलावा कोल्लम, कोटायम, इसके अलावा त्रिवेंद्रम, ये सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हमारा जो डिप्लॉयमेंट हुआ है एनडीआरएफ का। इसके अलावा हम लोग सारी टीम अभी अपने एरिया में जाकर के देखी कर रही है और ऑब्जर्व कर रही है सिचुएशन को, और ग्राउंड लेवल पर क्या चल रहा है उसको हम लोग देख रहे हैं। और कुछ इसके अलावा डिजास्टर्स होता है तो उसके लिए हम लोग इमीडिएट रिस्पॉन्स करने के लिए तैयार हैं।
Well, our top focus today is Cyclone Burevi. As it makes a landfall, Cyclone Burevi is very likely to move west-northwestwards. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Ashwin to give us more details. Ashwin, what time is Cyclone Burevi likely to make a landfall?
Yes, right now I am in Neyatithira at a campsite which is being managed by the police and the forces over here. Now, what we have understood is that the landing in Kerala will happen by tomorrow evening. However, the red alert has been issued in these districts, in 4 districts of Kerala. So heavy rainfalls are expected for noon. After noon, there's going heavy rains are expected in these areas. Already, the state government has started draining out some of the main reservoirs in the state, which includes the Neyya Dam reservoir in Thiruvananthapuram, the Kakki Dam reservoir in Pathanamthitta, as well as the Kallada reservoir in Kollam district. So the preparations are on high. What we have got the information is that there are 2,789 camps which have been set up in the state of Kerala to face this crisis of cyclone. And now we have also got information that camps are being set up, and also some of the people, about 175 families in Thiruvananthapuram has been already taken out and been set up in these, been taken to these camps. So the Kerala is all set, and as a state which has been always facing disasters for the last 4 years, especially the 2 floods that we faced and the Oki disaster which we had faced, the state has all the preparations set up is what we have understood.